Have you ever wondered about soft washing a house with just pressure, without pressure, no pressure, just a low pressure pump, 7 gallons a minute, maybe 60 to 100 psi, depending on where you got to set your pressure setting to don't. I'll do another video on how to adjust that pressure. It'll be right up here. So, today, Jason Guyman here with PressureWashHelp.com to help you grow your business, be successful, and to change your life. Today, I want to show you my setup of a soft wash system. So the only thing I'm missing here is I will be missing another reel that was supposed to come in today and it didn't. It's supposed to be here on Saturday, so I actually have a class. If you're watching this, I will have had a class already. It's coming on Sunday, Monday, and so I got to hurry up and get it on there. But today I wanted to talk to you about the soft wash system and the way this works. So this here will be our 55-gallon soap tank of sodium hypochlorite. We will have a bucket sitting here of either soap right here and of our surfactant. And then we have our water. I just have my water pouring out of the tank that is coming into my 35-gallon that I can actually hook my garden hose up here that fills that tank for water. So what we have here is we have this line here with this the valve here, and this valve I show you how to build this in another video, and you can check it out here or click the link at the end. Is this valve here will come in to my SH tank, which is my sodium hypochlorite tank, and this tank will be straight SH. So if we're doing roofs, we can change how much it actually is coming out. Now, a lot of you saying, Jason, are you switching over? Because I am a downstream guy. I've downstreamed for 7, 8 years, and this system is kind of new to me. I've kind of studied it, and it's been out for a while. I just never did transfer over to this type of system. Why? Well, we run 4 trucks, and I had this system down, and I mean, we wash 1,000 houses a year, and I know this system very well, and I know I can teach this system right here of pressure washing with a downstream injector using 80 to 100 psi through the pressure washer. I don't have to worry about my guys messing with dials. We batch mix the mix, so I know it's going out 50-50. I know they can do roofs with that. I know they can downstream with that. And I know we don't have to worry about killing a lot of stuff. So with this system, it's just a matter of turning this dial just a little bit more or one way or the other, and we're getting more sodium hypochlorite. And the next thing you know, we're killing plants, we're killing trees, we're killing everything. So and that's dealing with an employee. Now, if it's me personally, I wouldn't worry about that. Dealing with employees, I worry about that. I worry about them killing stuff. And so that is why I never went to this system. Now, I'm going to start teaching this system because this is a system that you can get into fairly cheap. I mean, you could probably set this up for under $1,000. And you can do house washing, you can do roof cleaning, you can kind of do concrete cleaning with it. You're going to lay hot mix down on the concrete and let it sit and dry, and it's going to clean the concrete. But with that all being said, that's a hot mix. And so, again, you got to worry about killing grass and all that kind of stuff around that stuff. So, all we have here is our mixer valve. We have a 7-gallon minute pump. You can also use the 5.5-gallon minute pump. You have a water tank, have a switch right there, and I have a soft wash gun. And that's basically, and this is actually 5/8 hose. You can do 1/2 inch or 5/8. We did some testing on it with the 5.5-gallon with a 1/2 inch hose, and you're only getting about 2.5 gallons coming out of there in a minute. This one here, you're getting about 3.5 gallons a minute. So you're still not getting 7 gallons a minute what that pump is rated for. And you say, well, why aren't we getting that 7 gallons a minute? Well, when you have hose, you have friction loss. And with friction loss, you're going to not get as much pressure. So that is why we're losing gallons per minute, because we don't really have the pressure to push them gallons per minute out the hose. I believe I'll actually put you a picture right here of it, the chart of half-inch, 5/8, different types of pressures of hoses will give you different pressures, and that's what your friction loss is. So this is a soft wash system. We have the system here with a pump going into the tank with this here. One line here goes down to the tank. One line here goes to my surfactant, and the other one goes to my sodium hypochlorite. And then the line coming out of that will go through a reel right here, and it will be this reel here, which is, I believe, it's almost 250 feet, and it shoots pretty well. And I'll show you here shooting here. Now, I'm going to show you here my soft wash nozzle. And you can see it shoots up there pretty high. Got me a pretty good stream. I can get me up 2.5 stories, probably no problem. And that's it. My daughter's over there trying to pull the dog into the water, but the dog don't like it. Don't make him go in there. But now she loves the water. I don't know if we're able to see how high it's shooting out, but you can see it's shooting pretty far. It's probably 35, there's probably about 45, 50 feet up in the air. So I definitely can get 2.5 stories with this. No problem. And I'm just running out of water, so I got to shut that off. So, again, if you want to learn more about pressure washing, go check out my pressure washing videos up here, me doing house washing and some pretty cool stuff, getting some nasty green. If you want to learn how to build a trailer and everything that goes into it, check out my video down here. And in this video, if you go to pressurewashhelp.com/build list, you will see everything is involved into the pressure washing side of things. I will do one of the soft washing. I haven't done it yet, but everything of a pressure washing thing and everything you would need to do pressure washing. See you in my next video.